This is my fit. This is my luggage. This is my beach bag.
This is the fit. This is the face. We're now here. Dagat talaga to?
Tingin mo dyan ilog.
Pwede.
Paano yung ilog yan? Ganun ka vast?
What's vast? What does vast?
Kalawak. Like kalawak.
Oh, I see.
Kala ko, parehas na sa...
This is what our view looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Guys, dahil low tide, gagawa na lang tayo. Hi guys! Say hi guys!
Hi guys! Yung gusto ko uminom ng manga shake.
Mango shit. Yun yung last message mo?
Oo.
Tara na guys, iwan na natin si Bea guys.
Hala, sige. Sige.
Sige, tara. Sige.
Hala, wag!
Alam niyo, sana ma-post ko to. Yung vlog na yung hindi ko na-post kasi nahiya ako. Siguro kaya ako natatakot mag-post aside from revealing myself too much. Baka hindi ko mapanindigan yung mga personality ko. Or like sabihin na, ay si John, di mo mahinhin yan. You know when you put your different friend group, may birthday mo, and you put them all in one same place. Iba yung nagiging personalities mo. Kunwari, sa isa mong friend, mabait ka. Sa isa mong friend, bardagulera ka. Tapos sa isa mo namang friend, kalog ka, palamura ka. Anyway, that's me. And I just adapt to the energies around me. Guys, hindi talaga natatapan yung ano ko. Or you know, guys, contented with what I have. You know, with my siblings. Pero alam niyo ba before, the love wasn't like that. Recently ko lang na-realize kasi nagbakasyon silang dalawa sa bahay ko. Una kasi, hindi ako nakikipag-close sa kanila. Lumaki kami na magkakahiwalay kami ng house. Bata ako. Every year ako nag-transfer ng school. So, na-realize ko na I can't be attached to anyone. Kaya siguro madali sa akin mag-let go, mag-move on. Kasi I know that people come and go. Bata pa lang talaga ako, na-realize ko na I can't be attached to anyone. Or you can be not like attached to the point na hindi mo sila papakawalan. Kasi I think every person has their own journey. You can be someone who stays, but you can also be someone who let them just experience things with you. It's okay to be that person. It's okay to be the one who got away. I forgot to update you guys, but this is my outfit. Alam niyo ba guys, 2 months na ako din nakakapag-gym, if not 3. Kasi, nagpahinga ako. We are Highland hopping. My baby! Say hi, baby!
Hi!
Hindi makain.
May, di ba, ano
Kaso
yan?
bawal
Poisonous.
talaga manghuli dito kasi reserve to eh. Kaya dito magantingin lang kami.
Walang tilapia dito? Bakit?
Wait, natatakot ako!
Utangin yan.
Natatakot ako sa isda eh!
Yung mukha mo ma'am sa lalim, kita mo yung view sa ilalim. Malinaw, malinaw. Oh, di ba? Yan na totoo bang gusto milita?
May life jacket ka, hindi ka lulubog. Tingnan si Bea.
I'm gonna eat na. Yang! Oh! Hindi siya takot, guys. Nantok lang siya.
Game, takbo. Gapang. Talon. Tumbling.
Tanggalin mo yun dyan!
Ayaw niya ng amoy ng suka.
Lalo ko na yung US eh. Iwan kita dito. Ay! Ayan. Criminology? Siguro sa ano siya?